box start all the way in the back. As they start going down the track, that box moves forward. The farther it moves, the harder it gets to pull. So, Robert Martin, he'll wind her up on the line. And just to remind you, out in the field, these things turn up about 2,500 RPMs at the most. Tonight, they're going to be running about 6,000 RPMs off the line. Here he comes, Robert Martin! Like they had the sled set tight tonight. The officials will take a look, decide if they want to reset the sled. And if they do, like a break.
They lighten the sled, Robert Martin, will be back later in the class.
Alien Brickside. Look at him running down the track there.
I see him. You better make too much fun of him. He'll knock you in your head when he gets down here.
All right. Honey Barrel's got the green light. He's going to get the green flag. He'll wind her up.
Right here in Cordova, Maryland.
Tear down the track.
Here comes Honey Barrel.
What do you think, Brickshot told him?
Don't break it.
Don't choke it out.
Bobby Satoff dropped the last.
Who we got coming up here, Bonehead? I told you.
Davey Moore, here comes Davey! That was good to have.
Yeah.
He had her in the wind so that way.
Yeah. He had a good run going. It's supposed to smoke out of that big shiny pipe, but that little black one that hangs underneath it, it ain't supposed to smoke like that out of that. The Grand Tour.
Davey Moore with 258 feet, .79, 258.79.
Other pullers and stuff like that.
Good. Full-time playing.
Yeah.
He's got the green light. Here comes Mr. Corey Forrester. That's a good run. What's at the end of it?
Yeah, I don't think I turned her like the end of the track. But she's still running.
Next year.
Corey Forrester with 290 feet, .69, 290.69.
That happened once. Brickside, he come out here to play.
Well, I've seen how to get out of doing this job. You just get a toy to go play with and you don't have to talk no more. So, that looks funner driving than it does talking.
Here comes Tim Hammond. Let's go, Tim.
They cut the tops off the pistons and decompress the motors. They're kind of hard to get started. They do that to get more air into the motor.
And Tim got the green light. One more attempt here. Let's throw it two.
That's kind of a little better. Uh-oh. That didn't.
That's just part of the show. Tough break for Mr. Tim Ammons on his first time out.
Sound like it was fixing to take off, didn't it?
Yeah, getting ready to go.
29.
Tim Hammonds went 23 feet,
Kelly's got me
0.86.
about 29.
23.86.
Very, very nice lady, Miss Kelly Windsor.
Nice family.
They are Kevin and the two boys. Good group.
Very nice, soft-spoken guy.
He's not on alcohol tractor.
Yeah, he did a test run for us a while ago.
Kevin had a few little problems with his tractor the last few weekends. We get her straightened out.
Wind her up, Kevin.
And you pushed a choke in on it or something.
Kevin Windsor went 9 feet,
Aiden
0.56.
Becker running an
9.56.
AC-D21 Ford Charger turbo setup. This is one of those, he can't just go anywhere and buy what he's parked.
No.
He has to do a lot of this engineering himself. Very talented individual. Running a pretty AC-D21. Here he comes, Dave Becker!
Dave Becker went 304 feet, 0.88. 304.88.
Not quite sure how old Tara is. She's got to be early 20s.
You old enough to drive this tractor?
That's right. And drive it she can do, buddy.
Sled man's ready. He's got the green light. Flag man's ready. Is Tara ready?
Tara's ready.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Tara been ready since last week.
here she comes, Miss Tara Moore, all the way from Boonesboro, Maryland, running the John Deere Agitator.
Playing on the weekend.
Tara Moore went 200 feet, 0.70. 200.70.
Be that dependable.
Good business people. Mr. Robert says they play hard. You'll be able to tell by his driving style. He plays hard.
Yeah, saying I play to win.
Yeah. Here it comes, Robert Martin.
Robert Martin went 278 feet, 0.02. 278.02.
We got Josh tightening up the chain.
Josh, he's going to pull back to back. Actually, this is his brother Bobby's tractor. He's just driving tonight. Josh's tractor is down there sitting on the line. It's next to come do the sled. Wish I had a brother like that.
You got a wife, tell her to buy you one.
I'm trying.
Here comes John Martin, Chambers birthday on the 30th year.
Big old turbo don't like that time of year. Got under just a little bit.
No harm, no foul. Just got under his boot.
That's right. Got under the turbo.
Josh Martin went 281 feet, .42. 281.42.
All right, Josh has got the green light. He's got the green flag. He's wandering up. You'll see the gray smoke. Turn to blackness, a little bit of gray. And here comes Mr. Josh Martin.
Yeah, we're going to work. He's dancing right around in third spot. Get this official test up here in just a minute. What'd you say that guy's name was in shooting the measure?
Josh Martin won 291 feet, .57. 291.57.
All right, final attempt for Mr. Robert Martin. On that darn deer, here it comes.
Davis let Steve Wilson drop the last.
Hey, wait for it, John.
Okay, hold on, we'll let Sabrina run, then we'll get the Dodge truck moved out of the way.
Maybe we'll hook Sabrina to it.
I bet she'd do it too.
Sabrina Reed dropped the last. Sled set Ralph Wilson with 268 feet, .20, 268.20.
That's a pretty picture, isn't it?
What, the one of me in front of you? Yeah. Matter of fact.
All right, here comes Randy Davis on Running Fire. Take mine first.
Randy Davis went 251 feet, .44, 251.44.
Kevin run an Oldsmobile motor in this truck. Just black old.
Last week's winner, Kenny Ripley.
What do you think, Boney?
Oh, Brad, I think Jeopardy is getting talking close.
He got that Oldsmobile running good against the Hemi.
Too close to call.
Kevin Landis went 267 feet, .88, 267.88.
He's a good driver.
He's a very good driver.
Ryan McDonald went 281 feet, .58, 281.58.
Mustang. He can do it, just not tonight.
Not tonight.
Tell us another food if you're missing one.
Dan Wilson, 245 feet, .70, 245.70. Herb Clark went 262 feet even, 262.0.
Hemi motor is kind of favorite this class, very similar to alcohol 20-bar motor.
Adam Blossom went 273 feet, .67, 273.67.
Blower belt. That is kind of hard in that motor.
Robert Branson went 257 feet, .52, 257.52.
The Super Bowl truck and tractor pulling out in Bowling Green, Ohio. Mr. Johnny got some top honors out there last summer. And we definitely got one tough competitor. Johnny got it. The best player.
Johnny got one 279 feet, .18, 279.18.
Number 3. Third place. So he's running consistent.
Much better than that.
Exactly. Everywhere he goes, he's saying third. I'm assuming he won't pump it off the back side. He does have a brand new pair of tires on the back of his truck tonight he was put on there, so I have to figure them out a little bit, but I changed the way the truck had.
Steve Wilson went 268 feet, .13, 268.13.
Red machine and throw some more stuff out. Who are we going to get stuff away from this time? We had Ellie Wilson Peterbilt last time.
Yell at him and stuff like that.
Too late.
That's my new favorite thing to do.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know. I imagine next time we'll be down there towards the starting line handing out all kinds of good stuff.
They tightened the sled arm and dropped the last.
There's only 8 points separating the top three. Jimmy's son is only 2 points behind him in third.
The Breeze Clover Chevrolet definitely want to hold your ears, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes Jim McKenzie.
Sled said Jim McKenzie went 286 feet, .18, 286.18.
All right, Boone, here comes your motors.
They are. I love World War II stuff.
They are like sweet sounding motors, aren't they? Got a sound all of their own.
Nancy Weller went 305 feet, .82, 305.82.
That's about as loud as it's going to get right there. Mr. Jimmy Clifford.
Jimmy Kendall went 244 feet, 0.57. 244.57.
All right, you forward people, showing chance and clear.
Fred McKenzie went 302 feet, 0.44. 302.44.
Hanover, Pennsylvania, Mr. Jason McKenzie. What a run. Wow.
Jason McKenzie went 316 feet, 0.14. 316.14.
I know everybody would much rather hear you than Dave singing on the radio.
We need some more shirts to hand out.
Jarvis! Running in the four-wheel drive truck he calls Wicked. He's from somewhere in PA. Where's he from?
Lidditz, Pennsylvania.
Can I tell you what?
You know where Lidditz is? You know where Lidditz is?
Yes.
Where?
Pennsylvania.
Well, do you know where Pittsburgh is?
Yes.
Well, there you go where near there. I think that's a film. I think they leave the lid. Yep, perfect. Let them go. Let's see who goes the biggest.
They reset the sled, made it heavier.
You didn't bring me the check.
Sled set Billy Kramer drop 6. Charmaine Clark went 293 feet, 0.57, 293.57. Booth went 303 feet, 0.57, 303.57. Wayne Tapp's got the second with 299 feet, 0.26, 299.26.
So far, this Chevrolet is thinking a show of me.
Has there been any other things before yet? No. There comes, oh, Easton!
Ricky Bennett with 304 feet, 0.94, 304.94.
Let's hear it for fans for the red, white, and blue, Tom Kopowski.
Hey! Sorry.
Tom Konopatsky went 305 feet, 0.69, 305.69. Billy Kramer with 304 feet, .84. 304.84.
Well, missing your phone, come see me. Look at your pictures. So what kind of picture. Hey, you'll not be taking pictures of that.
Wayne Tapscott Sr. went 293 feet, .88. 293.88. Timmy Varner went 309 feet, .11. 309.11.
Look into this, Mr. Kevin Abshar.
You know what I'd like to see?
I'd like to see this gone AWOL win.
What you get? We all echoing and sound worse than we normally sound now. Does that work better? Wow. I don't.
Kevin Abshire went 298 feet, .15. 298.15.
We get one, so we're going to have a long night.
They got a lot of instruments.
Yeah, they do. You were talking earlier about he had no breakdown, but you were wrong.
Ben Ellis went 307 feet, .05. 307.05.
It's already done.
Thank you. Bob Nagel with 309 feet, .67, 309.67. Jacob Kramer went 297 feet, .80, 297.80. Linda Ziegler went 307 feet, .81, 307.81.